Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Fabulous week for me this week because today we're starting with a great project. I have used my newest collection of papers called Sweet Daisy and some Stampin' Up stamps and dies and punches to create some lovely vintage looking cards and tags as well. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today is a very sunny day here in Sheffield. I have been working all weekend, so me and Jamie are off together, which don't happen very often. So he's downstairs working on his stuff and I am upstairs crafting. Yay, happy days for me. Right, so today, before I actually show you what I made, let me show you the kit first, because this is one of my favorite kits that I have designed. It took me a while because there's a lot of pages, but I'm very, very happy with the result. So I think this is one of my favorite papers I ever made. It's called the Sweet Daisies. Well, I'll let you guess why. I absolutely love these papers. She's got lots of backgrounds. Again, all different colors of daisies. It's predominantly the daisies with a blue, a very baby blue, turquoise blue, and some pink. So you've got this one with the dots. Oh, look at that. I love, like, if this could be made as a wrapping paper. So if you've got a bigger printer, oh, I love it. So it looks darker on camera, but in real life, it's a very baby blue. It's a very light blue. On camera, I'm noticing as we speak that it looks quite dark. Then another background with just some small daisies. Look at that. Love it. So you've got some white daisies, some teal color daisies, a very nice baby blue background, and some white leaves. I'm hoping you can see that. Look at that. Love it. Oh, I love daisies. Daisies and lilies are my favorite flowers. Oh, I love it. What's your favorite flowers? Please let me know down in the comments. So you get, didn't count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 backgrounds. Then you get a couple of pages with the same backgrounds but shrunk in 4 different pages. So you can get a card's background with these. So you get 1 and 2 pages with those. So you just simply cut them and they're ready to go. Card bases. So 2 of those. Then you get a gift box. So you just simply cut it, and then it's a really nice cube box with some really lovely vintage daisies. Same print, but I made some tags. So very nice, literally vintage, very vintage style tags. Of course, a milk carton. So again, what you simply guys do, just score it, cut it and glue it in a really nice gift box. Pillow box. So as you can see guys, it's a very eclectic kit that you make cards, pockets, gift boxes, all of it. Honestly, look at that, how cute this is. And some embellishment, some butterflies in there. Then I gave you a couple of pages with some the light tags slash embellishment, so you can just simply cut them and use them as decoration. You can layer this and put your sentiment if you do like cards and stuff. Love the jar, love that. And then there's another one with tabs. You've got some tabs, you've got some balloons, you've got some daisies. And this is to make a bow. So you've got the two sides, the 2 tails, and the one in the middle. So it makes a really nice bow. Yeah, I wanted to give you a lot of different things that you can build up using this kit. So it's a very complete kit. a page with some stamps, a little pocket, a little tag, and some more embellishment. You can use them as a tags as well, as a tabs. Cute, cute, cute. And this one here, which is 2 side pockets, 1 square pockets with the thing in there, and then 4 embellishment. Okay, so these are the tags that you saw on the kit. Really, really, really nice. What I did, guys, I have used the Daisy Delight, is the stamp set from Stampin' Up, and I've got the matching punch bundle. Can't remember, I had it for a very, very, very long time, and I thought this will look really nice with this paper, so I got 5 tags. I think they're all the same sizes, and I have used the distressing from Ranger. Is one of my favorite, so I made this like really brown daisy. The tags are very, very similar. Some has got the daisy on the top, some has got the daisy on the bottom. It's just because I didn't want to cover the image, and they're a bit curled, so it gives you a bit of like dimension. So got that. They're literally, guys, they're very, very similar, but those tags are amazing if you do them as a gift tags as well, for like wrapping presents and stuff, or you can use it in your journal as a decoration or as a bookmark. So, and I love the 3D element of it, just give it extra dimension. Okay, so that's the tags. Then I have made some cards. I have used this die. I had it again for 2-3 years. I can't remember where it's from. I know it was sent from a sponsored video. One of the companies sent me this a few years ago. So I had it in my stash, and I have used my happy birthday, which I can't locate it at a minute. Is it somewhere here on the desk? No, but it's just happy birthday die. So you got the writing and the actual background. So this is the papers that you see on the page of 4. So if I get the it's basically the page with the 4 background into one. So that's one. And what I did, guys, I simply done layers of cardstock. There is like 3 layers on this, so the card is actually quite heavy. No expenses spared. But yeah, so some are on portraits, some on landscapes, but very, very simple. So you've got the white, yellow and blue. Again, I put some foam, and I have used these are the Stampin' Up in color up around 21, 23. That's little gems. So I have used the yellow and what color was it? Like a greenish sort of color. So that's the gems. Nothing special, honestly. They're very, very simple, but this is to show you guys sometimes you just need a couple of dies and the papers do the job. So that's one. That's another one. And it's funny, guys, because when I bought this yellow cardstock, I thought, oh, I'm never going to use the white, a yellow pale cardstock. Well, I've done all my Easter project with this, and I use it today. So I just realized I only got a couple of sheets left. So I need to get some more. But again, it's literally layers of yellow cardstock, white cardstock, and again, the paper and the yellow cardstock on top. And then stamped and punched the daisy from Stampin' Up and the die. And a couple on the other side. So you got again, it's just the paper that do the talking. Again, 3 layers, 1, 2 and 3. And this one here, I'm not gonna do I thought, should I do a tutorial or should I not do a tutorial? Honestly, guys, it's just layers of papers and some cardstock. So I thought, oh, I'm not gonna bore you. But no, it's just to show you guys that you can achieve different sort of looks, and this is what I wanted to do with this paper. So you've got something very vintagey, very retro, when something is more contemporary, something more bright. So it depends what colors or cardstock do you use, but those papers work either way. Okay, so what I thought, guys, I will put these 4 cards exactly as they are, so no envelopes, anything, just literally as they are, and then you guys can put it into your card bases and sell them. I'm gonna sell them on my website. Okay, I'm gonna do a really cheap price. I'm only gonna do for UK only, so I'm literally gonna put it on the envelope like this, put a tissue paper and send it to you. And if you purchase these 4 cards, you get the digital papers for free. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is for one of you that lives in UK, it gets this 4 cards, happy birthday cards, and also it gets the papers. It's like a mini bundle. So yeah, if you want to purchase it, follow the link down below and you can see these. Okay, again, if you want to just buy the digital papers, if you live overseas, again, you can buy the papers, and I'll just put the link down below. Before we go, I just want to highlight a lovely comment from Denora. Denora left a comment on last week's video when we were talking about coffee. So we did we showcased the coffee o'clock digital papers, one of my quite popular at the minute, actually. And Denora left a comment on the video, and she said that she loves the coffee with some Baileys during winter, and then she said actually anytime, not just winter. And what I wanted to show you, I've got this for my birthday. If you're watching and you live in the UK, you need to go to M&S and buy this one. It's the golden blonde. It's basically the M&S version of Baileys, but it's white chocolate. And I don't know what you can see. I don't think. Oh yeah, you could probably see from there. It's a white chocolate Baileys. Of course, it's not as strong as the Bailey. I keep this in the fridge, and hence why it's wet. And I have this with the coffee sometime. It's super rich, but it's so yummy. So really recommend it. Golden blonde chocolate flavor cream liqueur made with fresh cream from the Bailey Rashane, whatever it is, that creamery. Is it made? Oh, it's made in UK. So yeah, so if you are around M&S, pop in and buy that because it's very yummy. And I had it with my chicken coffee. I'm not drunk, but it's what's the percentage? Oops, 15. But honestly, you just need a few drops. Oops, I'm not advertising alcohol. It's nice. So yeah, thank you to Dora, and thank you to every single one of you that honestly always leave comments, because I read them all, and that is gives me a lot of pleasure. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving a big daisy flowery thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video doing well. Also guys, if you like this daisy sort of floral spring inspirational video, I will put a link somewhere on the screen which you can watch it, click on it, and give you some more inspiration with some more daisies and more flowers. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.